Metal, how we doing, kids? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. It is Friday. I hope everybody had a great week. And we are going to open up Kurt's new GT Carrera digital car. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, kids, Metal. So let's go ahead and open up this car that Kurt acquired. This is a really cool car. It's actually one of my favorite running Carrera cars. I actually have a couple of them myself. And there it is. Haha. I love to make you guys wait even longer. I can't help it. I mean. All right, there she is. The Liquid Molly Audi R8. She is really nice. Let me go ahead and get this bad boy opened up and I'll get you guys a closer look. Be right back. All right, we got her unboxed. I do like the Liqui Moly livery. Not a big fan of red, but this red, white, and blue and black looks really good with this car, I have to say. Some nice motor detail back there on this one. I don't think mine's quite that detailed. But some awesome hood detail and decals. We'll put this bad boy on the turntable and let you guys get a better look here. And there's the bottom so you can see it. No modifications yet to this car, of course, because it just came out of the box. But this should run really nice. I've got some tires here and a guide for it. We'll get that on it and put it on the track. Probably won't be part of this video though. But anyway. All right, everybody. We are back. We are on the turntable, checking out this Audi R8. It's a little better view there, sorry about that. The detail on this is just amazing. These Carrera cars, you got to give them credit for. Like, look at the back there alone. You got your Audi logo, the Liquid Moly logo, two Pirellis, something Auto Motorsports. You've got your exhaust details. And then one more thing there I can't actually make out. You know, it says Audi Sport here and Audi Sport on your thing and your DTM. Inglister Motorsports, I think that's what that says right there as well. You know, and then you've got three more of them down there. Your Audi Sport, Pagid, the Motorsports, Recaro, something there. I think that's the Pagaster again and something else there. Anyway, very cool. And then, you know, your number and what have you. Beautiful front end. Nice grill. I love the headlights. I love the cutout for the radiator in the Audis and the way the mirrors are. You know, there's even stuff on the mirrors, the hood. There's your number again. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car in the detail. And then look at back there. There's even 5 more of them. Now, of course, you know, and then the brakes. You can see the slots and the rotors, the calipers, everything. Very, very cool. Very cool. Then it's got the red and the blue for, I think that's which tires they are when you're changing them out. Of course, in your antenna, which will get broke off. But beautiful, beautiful car. Great, amazing detail. Kurt really scored on this one. So we'll have like 3 or 4 Audis so we can actually do an IROC class with the Audis. So that's very cool for our GT cars. So congratulations to Kurt on this new beautiful Audi R8. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We appreciate you watching this unboxing. If you'd like, please leave us a comment down below in the comments field. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. All right, see you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you Monday for the Ramble. Bye.